What is an NFT? An NFT, or non-fungible token, is a type of cryptocurrency that represents a unique asset. Unlike fungible tokens like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which can be divided into smaller units, NFTs are indivisible, and each one is unique. This makes them ideal for representing digital assets like art, music, or video games. They are stored on a blockchain, just like other cryptocurrencies. However, because they represent unique assets, they require a different type of blockchain than the ones used for currencies. The most popular blockchain for NFTs is Ethereum, which has been specifically designed for this purpose. Because NFTs are still a new technology, there is no standard way to buy or sell them. However, there are several platforms that facilitate the trading of NFTs, such as OpenSea and Rarebits. These platforms allow users to list their NFTs for sale and set their own prices. Understanding the benefits of investing in NFTs. As the world of cryptocurrencies continues to evolve, more and more people are turning their attention to non-fungible tokens, NFTs. NFTs are a unique cryptocurrency type that cannot be interchangeable. That means they can be used to represent digital assets like artwork, music, and other collectibles. Of course, as with any investment, there are risks involved. The value of NFTs can fluctuate rapidly, and they may become worthless if the market for them collapses. Types of NFTs. Here are a few of the most popular. One. Collectibles include virtual art, in-game items, and other digital assets that can be collected and traded. 2. Gaming assets include avatars, game skins, and other in-game items that enhance the gaming experience. 3. Digital content. This includes things like ebooks, music, videos, and other digital content that can be sold or licensed. 4. Domain names. Cryptocurrencies have given rise to a new class of domain names called crypto domains. These can be bought and sold just like any other domain name. 5. Online courses. People are always looking for ways to learn new skills online. Creating and selling online courses is a great way to make money with NFTs. How to buy and sell NFTs. 1. Find an exchange that supports NFTs. A few different exchanges support NFTs, so do some research and find one that suits your needs. 2. Sign up for an account and deposit funds. Once you've found an exchange, you'll need to create an account and deposit funds into it. 3. Find the NFT you want to buy and place an order. You'll usually have to pay a small fee for this service. 4. Wait for the transaction to be processed and receive your NFT. Once it is, though, you'll receive your NFT in your digital wallet associated with the exchange. Platforms for selling and buying NFTs. There are a few different ways that you can buy or sell NFTs. The most popular way to buy NFTs is through an online marketplace like OpenSea or Rarible. If you want to sell your NFTs, you can do so through these online platforms. Alternatively, you can create your own website or online store to sell your NFTs. This gives you more control over the pricing and promotion of your NFTs. You'll need to drive traffic to your site using marketing and SEO, but this can be a great way to reach a wider audience. Tips for maximizing your profits with NFTs. The U.S. Internal Revenue Service, IRS, has issued guidance on the tax implications of investing in non-fungible tokens, NFTs. The guidance, which was released on March 25, 2021, clarifies that NFTs are taxable property and are subject to capital gains taxes. According to the IRS, NFTs are considered intangible property for federal tax purposes. This means they are subject to capital gains taxes when sold or exchanged. Investors should be aware that state and local taxes may be due on the sale or exchange of NFTs. If you hold an NFT as a capital asset, you will generally recognize a capital gain or loss on its sale or exchange. Capital gains and losses are calculated using the fair market value of the NFT at the time of the sale or exchange. If you hold an NFT for less than 1 year, your gain or loss will be treated as short-term capital gain or loss. Short-term capital gains and losses are taxed at your ordinary income tax rate. If you hold an NFT for more than 1 year, your gain or loss will be treated as long-term capital gain or loss. You can check the channel's blog for more information on how to prepare your crypto taxes. Subscribe. The channel's blog provides information for new crypto investors and current information for experienced investors. The YouTube channel provides video articles and news regarding crypto regulations, crypto taxes and policies.